Hey everybody, big warm welcome back to my YouTube channel, or if you are new, just welcome to my YouTube channel. If you can hear little murmurs in the background, that'll be why. Excuse the messy bed, there's a bit of reality for you. Hey Koopy, there's my 9-month-old watching me. That's the reality of working from home, yes it is. But yeah, if you are new, my name is Ellie. I am a YouTuber, Instagrammer. I never know what to call my job title, to be honest with you. But I talk about being a mum. So I have 2 boys. I have a 4-year-old son called Leo and a 9-month-old son called Cooper. I also talk a lot about cleaning, the home, general sort of life, and a little bit of shopping and fashion as well. And one of my favourite, this chair's a bit squeaky, sorry if you can hear like noises. One of my favourite shopping fashion videos to film of all time is of course the Primark haul. The holy grail of all hauls, that is the Primark haul. I have not done a Primark haul since my Christmas Primark haul, which I think was back in November, and here we are mid-January. So it was lovely to take a stroll down the aisles, and I did get some bits. The favourite bits that I got I'm wearing, so I'm going to showcase those bits to you, then I'll show you what else I got, and yeah, I mean, you know what a haul is, I'm not going to explain to you what a haul is. And of course there will be the subtle background noises of the 9-month-old, so enjoy that. He'll probably come join us halfway through, knowing him. Okay, so I'm going to start with my cardigan. I just put an Instagram story on my Instagram, obviously, and straight away I've had loads of messages like, where is your cardigan from? So we'll start with this, and I kept the label in it so I would be able to tell you how much it is. How much was it? How much was it? £15. So I got a medium because I like things big, and it was £15, and here she is. So this is what she looks like loose, but I have tucked her in, and she has the most stunning floral print in the most gorgeous pastel colours. They had like a pastel wool, like all of these beautiful pastel pieces, and this was the one that really stuck out to me. I literally ran over there and grabbed it. So that was my favourite buy. I've also got on the mum high-waisted jeans. So these are super comfy. I got these in a 10, and they were, wait for it, £17. And I love them because I love these buttons. I mean, I really could just change the angle of my camera and stand up normally. It would probably be a lot more flattering than what I'm currently doing. So they are high-waisted, and they've got all these buttons at the front, and then this is kind of like elasticated, and they are nice and baggy, like you would expect a mum jean to be. And I thought they went really well with the like baggy mom cardigan. I mean, you don't have to be a mom to wear mum jeans, but we do love them, we do. Such a good boy, angel. So that is what I'm wearing. So that was obviously what I wanted to show you first. Just realised they gave me all the hangers. They're normally good at keeping them and just reusing them in store, aren't they? But for some reason they've given me all my hangers. Like, next up, sticking with the, like I said, there's loads of sort of pastel, beautiful shades in there at the moment, and this caught my eye. So this is a stunning roll neck jumper. I wish you could feel it. It's super soft and ribbed. As you can see, there's loads of stretch to it. I got the pastel blue because I just thought it was such a beautiful colour. I know, Goopy. Again, I got it in medium because I like things to be oversized. Here it is with the neck down. Love. Love, love, love. I nearly got, I think there was like a yellow, like a pastel yellow, and I nearly got that. But I always tell myself I can't wear yellow. I think it's because I'm blonde, so I've just told myself I can't, but maybe I can. It's also made using recycled plastic. Primark's really good at being sustainable. So yeah, this was £10. What an absolute bargain of a cozy knit jumper. Nearly wore that today, but I just had to wear the cardi. Sticking with the jumper theme, I also got this roll neck, but this is completely different because this is like a tighter one, whereas that one was super loose. So this is like a really different style, but they had like a whole stand of these. They had loads of colours, but I went for the oatmeal colour. Got that in medium and it was £6. I love to style these Primark roll necks with some mum jeans and some boots. It's just a super easy little crossover bag, super easy stylish outfit. So I know. I also got a roll neck for Cooper. You can't really see it because he's too far away, but look at my Primark baby boy video where I organised the nursery, and you'll see it. And or let me just show you a photo here. This is him in the roll neck. This is the Primark baby roll neck. Like, can't cope. I can confirm the wonderful Primark racer bodysuits are back. I live in these all spring summer, and they have brought them back now that we are slowly edging to spring. I mean, it is still far away, but you wear these all year round, I guess. So I got the black. I already have this one, but honestly it's so used where I just wear it so often, so I thought I'll get another one. It is just a black basic racer bodysuit, and it was £6, but they just fit so well. They're so flattering, super easy to team with some mum jeans and some sliders or something in the spring. So got myself that. And they also had the racer bodysuit in this sage green, which I thought was such a beautiful pastel shade. Again, I was really in the shop trying to work out if it's see-through, but I'm sure it's not. It's like double layered. I'm sure it's not. But yeah, that one again in medium was, well, it was the same price, £6. I got myself a lot of essentials. It was one of those Primark trips where I was like, I need X, Y, and Z essentials. First essential that I needed was pants. Now, I'm not talking lingerie, I'm not talking attractive pants, I'm talking pants. Your day in, day out, I'm a mum, I need to just chuck some comfy pants on. Pants. Primark are great for that. So I got a pack of 5. These are the mini pants. So they are like briefs, but they're not full briefs. They're like mini briefs. I got them in a size medium in this cute little selection. They were £3.50. And then I also got a similar pack but in thong, and again size medium, 5-pack of thongs for £3.50. I needed socks. I told you there was a lot of essentials picked up on this trip. So I got loads of trainer socks. I'm literally gonna bin 90% of my socks. Most of them are literally worn like threadbare at the bottom, and I still put them on because I don't have any other ones. I get really excited about new socks. New socks remind me of when you got socks when you were little on Christmas Day. And I would always wear new socks on Christmas Day because there'd always be some in my stocking. And that feeling of putting on new socks is something else, isn't it? It's unmatched. But yeah, anyway, this pack of 7, some lovely neutral colours in there, was £2.50. And again, another pack of 7 with some patterned ones in there as well. That was also £2.50. Oh, and I got another pack. I really went for it. And then this grey pack of 7 for £2.50. I went in on the socks. Now they were all trainer socks, so I thought I'll get some long socks as well, because you need those for when you're wearing boots. They call them crew socks in Primark, so here you go. I got 2 packs of the crew socks. 5 in a pack for £1.80. I don't know how they get away with selling stuff this cheap, but I'm here for it. Very much looking forward to emptying out my socks drawer at some point this week. The sort of things you get excited about at the age of 31 with 2 children. Your sock drawer. Now these I actually am really excited about. Got myself some new crocodile clips. Primark are brilliant for crocodile clips. £1.50. I got it in tortoiseshell and I got one in black. I just want to try this out because their old ones are straight and these crocodile clips have like a slight curve to them. So let's try it. Is it okay? Yep. Jobs are good. £1.50 well spent. Now in the home department, I didn't get much because the Primark I went to today was a much smaller one, whereas when I really want loads of homeware and stuff, I go to the much bigger one, which is further away. But I did get 2 of these. These are the medium rope baskets. These are for a little plan that I have for the boys' bathroom, where I'm giving it a little bit of a mini makeover. later this week, and I needed 2 baskets, and these saw me in the shop and they came home with me, and they are only £3.50. Say hi! Look who's come to join us. Yeah, I told you he'd probably join us by the end of the video, and here he is, my handsome boy. So that was all the stuff for me, and I am just going to show you the bits that I got for my 4-year-old. If you don't want to see that, then thank you so much for watching up till now. Don't forget to subscribe before you go. Lots of videos coming your way. Yeah, that's him telling you to subscribe. But if you are staying, then I'll show you what I got for my 4-year-old, because I got him some bits as well. Like I said, I got some bits for Cooper, but I filmed those in a separate video that I filmed earlier this week. Yeah, I got this pack of 6 Marvel pants. As you can see, they are all Marvel themed. A pack of 6 for £4.50. And then I also got him 2 packs of socks. You can get a pack of 5 kids socks for £3.50 in Primark. Not bad, eh, Coopy? So I'm going to clear out his sock drawer as well as my own. Oh my gosh, the stuff dreams are made of. Now, joggers. Primark never lets me down when it comes to joggers. They always have them, they always last well, and they're always very, very reasonably priced. So I got him a pair of black joggers. He's upgraded to size 5 to 6 years. He turns 5 in a couple of months, so I thought I need to just upgrade him, but they look so long. He's such a diddy little dot. But they were £3.50 for the black joggers, and then I also got them in a light grey, and they were also £3.50. I also got him just a basic zip hoodie. Primark can't beat it for basics, so the basic zip hoodie was £3.80. I wanted to get him loads of pajamas, but unfortunately they didn't really have a lot that he would be into in his size, in the age 5 to 6. But I did manage to pick up a set of Batman pajamas. There were actually 2 sets in here, but he wore a pair last night to bed, didn't he? But it is a pack of 2 for £10. That's what they look like. But yeah, I wanted to get more, but that was all I could get. And finally, this seems weird because it's January, but I got him this hat. Now, I find it hard to find him sort of caps, baseball caps like this, that are like quite basic and really easy to put with anything. And this was £4, and it's just black. It has a little bit of writing on the front, and yeah, I got it in age 4 to 7 years, so it should fit him fine. I know it'll be a while before he actually starts wearing this, but I thought I'm just going to put it in the wardrobe, and then we know we've got it, right? But guys, that was Yeah, what he said. That was our Primark haul. Thank you so much for watching our latest video. Every view means the world. We're starting to really grow recently, so we are coming up to 20,000 subscribers. Yes, we are. So if you're new, please subscribe before you go. We would just love that, wouldn't we, Coops? And I will see you lovely people in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Say bye. Blow them a kiss.